Are you feeling hungry? Feel like making something different? Not to worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will show you how to make an amazing vegan Malaysian laksa curry. To make the vegan Malaysian laksa curry, you need the following ingredients: half a small sweet potato, a handful of bean sprouts, 4 chopped medium-sized mushrooms, 3 garlic cloves, 50 grams of ginger, 2 spring onions, 1 small carrot, 2 baby sweet corns, a few florets of broccoli, 4 large green beans, Italian passata, half a can of coconut milk, Jasmine Thai rice, toasted sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, pinch of chili flakes, salt and pepper, and mix nuts. Step 1. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil to a deep frying pan and turn on the gas to medium heat. Cut the sweet potato into small cubes and add to the frying pan. The sweet potato takes the longest to cook, so we should add this first. Cook the sweet potato for 10 minutes and keep turning to brown them on all sides. Add the carrots and green beans after cooking the sweet potato for 4 minutes. Turn the ingredients in the large frying pan every few minutes to cook evenly. Step 2. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil to a small frying pan and turn on the gas to medium heat. Cut the mushrooms into small bite-sized pieces. Add the mushrooms to a small frying pan on medium heat and cook for 4 minutes. Turn the mushrooms often to cook evenly. Step 3. Add the sliced sweet corn and broccoli to the deep frying pan. Transfer the mushrooms from the small frying pan to the larger frying pan. Turn the ingredients in the large frying pan every few minutes to cook evenly. Cook the ingredients for another 4 minutes. Follow the instructions to start cooking the rice. Before continuing this video, it would be great if you can support my channel by hitting that like button, subscribing to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Step 4. Add 4 tablespoons of the Italian tomato passata to the large frying pan and mix the ingredients. Cut the 3 garlic cloves and ginger into small pieces and add to the large frying pan. Add a pinch of salt, pepper, and chili flakes. Stir all the ingredients in the frying pan and cook for 1 minute. Step 5. Add half a tin of the coconut milk and the bean sprouts. Allow the food to simmer for 1 minute. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and mix into the ingredients for 1 minute. Step 6. Add the cooked rice to a large bowl. Place the laksa curry directly on top of the rice and garnish with the spring onions and chopped mixed nuts. Finally, put on some nice relaxing music and enjoy your homemade vegan Malaysian laksa curry. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learnt some new cooking skills. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this.